Hi, I'm Alex Hine with your Fox Health Fix. Having sex may not be so good for your health after all. A study published in the Journal of Health and Social Behavior looked at men and women between the ages of 57 to 85 and found older men who were having sex at least once a week were almost twice as likely to have cardiovascular episodes 5 years later than men who weren't sexually active. Yet for women, there was no risk. Instead, women who said their sex lives were satisfying had a lower risk for high blood pressure than women who didn't. Giving your kids antibiotics at a young age may increase their risk of certain allergies later in life. New research suggests children given antibiotics in the first 2 years of life can increase their risk of eczema by as much as 41%. Plus, it can raise their risk of hay fever by up to 56%. Risk for both conditions was higher in those who received 2 courses of antibiotics compared to those who had 1. Being a wine expert could save your mind. A study published in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience finds some liaisons who develop sharp senses of smell have thicker parts of the brain that are susceptible to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Study authors say it seems to take longer to feel the effects of the disease when your brain is larger in those areas. For more information on these stories and all the latest health news, visit foxnewshealth.com. I'm Alex Hine, Fox News.